Hello, and welcome to this BoldDesk feature spotlight for Office 365 calendar integration. With this integration, you can automatically sync tasks from BoldDesk to your Office 365 calendar. Set reminders to stay ahead of deadlines and keep track of assigned activities effortlessly. Let's see how to set this integration up. First, log in to BoldDesk as an admin. Head to the admin page, scroll down, and open the Marketplace. Inside, find Office 365 Calendar and click Install. In the Permission tab, select the appropriate roles for access and click Save. The integration is now complete. You can verify it by clicking on your profile settings and navigating to the Apps tab. Next, let's sync this calendar with BoldDesk. We start with the Profile Settings Apps tab and find the Office 365 calendar. Click Authorize and log in using your Microsoft email. Agents can now enable, disable, revoke, or reauthorize the Office 365 calendar integration individually from their profile settings, and all scheduled activities will sync seamlessly. If the authorization button is disabled, then you can ask your admins to provide access to your role. From now on, when an activity is created in a ticket, it will automatically sync as an event in the assignee's Office 365 calendar. Agents can modify or delete events either from the calendar or directly from the BoldDesk activity page. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new features. Thanks for watching.